Hey guys, today I'm going to talk about ChartDB, visualize your database in a few seconds. And basically in our home page, you can see that we have ChartDB embed chart specifically here. You can do a dark mode. There's an Easter egg of Command+M if you want to change between light and dark. And basically it's the application itself, and we're providing a way to embed your links. So let's go and start. Just like a recap, we bring a database. I will show you an example, two examples, how to embed your database schemas in different tools, for example. Let's start with how you bring the database again. So you're clicking on create a diagram. Very quickly in ChartDB, you're able to take a smart query that we crafted. You copy the smart query, going to one of your favorite database clients. In my case, I'm using Postico in this case, running this big query that we crafted for you, getting a JSON, taking the JSON and passing over here, and clicking import. Simple as that. In a few seconds, you have the Pokemon database with all the tables in front of you. You can change to a dark mode and see all the connection between tables easily. So what we want to do now. So I will start with a different database that is smaller, just for the demonstration. I will take one of the diagram. Let's say I'm taking a 3 tables diagram. Yeah, 3 tables diagram that having posts, comments, and users. So I want to embed it in one of my documentations and share it together with my teams. What I'm able to do, I have the button over here that's called Embed, and clicking on that is giving me the embed link. Taking the embed link, I can use that in a different documentations and collaboration tools that I'm using in my company. It could be Notion, Confluence, Miro, other stuff. But let's take a look and start with Notion, for example. So here we go. We have a Notion page, and I want to embed ChartDB into the Notion page. What I'm going to do is / doing embed, and basically having the link over here. So once I'm having the link, what I'm going to see is ChartDB is loaded for me, and I can see it very nicely. So basically I have it as part of the page. I can have documentation, etc. Same thing I can do in Miro. Miro providing me a way to embed my links. So all what I have to do is plus, looking on embed, embed. Not embedding my board, but I want to embed via iPhone. Exactly. So clicking on that, and basically I very quickly got ChartDB and Miro and able to play around that. So that's like, let's say I'm changing the database over here in ChartDB, and this is live. So let's say I'm changing the colors of everything to be on orange. So I'm changing, it's auto save for me. And once I will go and refresh the page for Miro, there is a refresh button. Let's see. I will refresh the page for this second, and I will see that basically the embed will fetch the data, the new data, and see that like everything is updated for me. So loading it, and everything it's orange. It's gonna be in the Notion as well. So that's part of the embed, and it's working as well if I wanted to do that with the bigger database that I showed you before, and it's called Pokemon.DB. So let's say I want to take it, open it up. I can organize it, create an area, and like make it nice and smooth, and then like clicking on the embed one more time, getting the link, and if I'm using Miro again, just for this example, putting that aside, having another embed link, using it, and then I can see the big database loading out for me. And that's very nice and good if you want to share the documentation together with your team, having the schema live every time the database is changed. Let's say I have implemented a secure database and it's automatically updated every migration. All my documentation is going to stay updated instead of me need to change all the pictures around anywhere in the documentation. So it's going to be live and always updated based on the schema that the database currently have. So no need to hassle of remembering and maintain all the documentation. A lot of that is solving a lot of problem for both different teams that don't need to deal with that anymore while using ChartDB. So hope you enjoyed, and hope you going to embed in the future. So that's it for now. Have a good one.